Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NichelleSade back here with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a sneaker lookbook, how I style my sneakers that I have in my closet. I absolutely love wearing sneakers. I just be feeling mad chill and effortless. I like effortless, but a lot of details. So sneakers just do it for me, whether it's dressing it up, dressing it down. You can do it whatever you want. You should follow me on Instagram if you're not doing so already, at NichelleSade on Instagram. Before we get more into this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. If you're already subscribed, go tell somebody else to subscribe. The goal right now is 200 plus, so if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you do so. On my channel, you'll find all things fashion, inspiration, and lifestyle, so you don't want to miss out on that, so make sure you're subscribed. In this video, I'm going to be collaborating with a friend of mine, Sierra. She has her own clothing brand with trendy clothing. It's called Valois. So I'm going to be doing a mini unboxing, unpackaging type of thing before we get into the lookbook and the styling portion. So before I start talking way too much, let's get right into this unboxing, and then make sure you stay tuned for the end of the video so you can see me style these looks and see my sneaker lookbook, sneaker styling lookbook video. Yeah, that's what we calling this thing, sneaker styling lookbook video. This is how it comes. This packaging is so lit. Like, I know y'all like the snake print. I know. So let's see what we have. Alright, so this is the first package. Okay, so this is what comes out of the package, and it's a little card. It has my name on it right here, and then we have this wrapped up as well. So let's go ahead and open this card. This is super cute. Yeah, look at the detailing though. The marble detailing. Yes. So okay. Thank you so much for your support. Hope you enjoy these items. Ooh, yeah, I got a gift for y'all. Your subscribers can shop with your code. I got a code for y'all. Nichelle20. They'll get 20% off of your orders. All these little details. This is so cute. It says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." First item is, I'm going to try to get it in as much as possible. This dress. And this is the slip dress. And she has her tag, Valois. Super, super cute as well. This I got in a size medium. This is super cute. It feels so lightweight, great for the springtime. Make sure you guys are staying tuned for this entire video so you can see the lookbook and you can see this styled super cute on the side. Like, this is cute, and it got a little slit. Ooh, you showing skin, girl. You showing skin. I'm here for it. That's so cute. Next we have this. I'm so excited to try this on. This long dress. Red polka dot dress. Look at the sleeves on this, guys. Get into it. Get into it. This is the bottom. You guys are going to see this stuff more in the lookbook, so make sure you're staying tuned. I got this in a size medium as well. And I just love this. This neckline is super cute. The sleeves are super cute. This is cute. And I'm excited because I'm going to be styling this with sneakers. You guys stay tuned to the end so you can see how I dress this kind of down. for dresses, for me, I like dressing down. Guys, so those are the pieces that I got from Valois. I'm so excited. The pieces are amazing. Make sure you check out the website, cvalois.com. I'll have it down below and I'll have it on the screen right here. Make sure you use the code Nichelle20. I'll have the code down below for you guys to use, and you'll get 20% off all my subscribers that use it, and get you some stuff. Support small businesses. It's amazing. Thank you, Sierra, for sending me these amazing pieces. I love them. I can't wait to style them. They're super cute. Thank you. I'm sending love to you. I'm sending positivity to you. And I'm praying for growth for your business and prosperity as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I can't wait to see you in my next video so we can learn, love, and grow together.
Rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord, it's flower bound, firefly, running low. So take me high, teach you all the summer.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying that in nature. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little rock or whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiatos, but Shawty get in the work. I can be your good friend, be your nigga, or ignorant with perks. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to give you light. They just trying to live their life.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? Talking about eternity. Tell me, would you carry me, my lady,
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first sight.
Right out the door. Ooh, no more would it be. That's what you tell. Pick your apple, daddy. That's how she do it. Because it's flat on one side. I am not a businessman. I'm a businessman.